Okay, I have James Gallagher from Juba City, Assemblyman. James, thank you.
All right, thank you for letting me be here with you. Thank you for being here today to make your voice heard. No on 553. No on 553. No. No. Tell them up there, no. We do not need this. I am here as a representative of the 3rd Assembly District. I'm from Yuba City. I'm here with my business owners from Yuba City who have said enough is enough. Why don't we punish the criminals? Why don't we punish those who are stealing? Why are we punishing the business owners? That's the last person that we should be punishing. I stand with the Sikh business owners in Stockton who defended their property as they have a right to do. I'm also the leader of our Republican caucus in the State Assembly, and I can tell you Republicans will do everything we can to stop this bill. We will do everything we can, and we will reach across the aisle and bring Democrats to help stop this bill. Because we need to get back to California to have accountability. Accountability. Let's make crime illegal again in California. If you steal from a business, you should go to jail. You shouldn't just get a citation and just come back the next day. This is ridiculous, but it is your voices that are going to help make this change. And so I'm so proud to be standing here, with people from my community. I've always been united with the Sikh community because we stand for what's right. We fight for the vulnerable. We fight for what is right. That has always been a part of that culture, and I appreciate you. I appreciate our business owners who are doing everything they can to make a living, to employ people, to provide jobs for people in this state. Why is this state, why is the Democratic supermajority going after you? It's wrong. And if we stand up together, if we all work together, we can bring back and restore the California dream for all of us and have safety and security so that we can run our businesses and raise our families the way that we see best. So thank you all for being here. We will continue this fight, and it's going to happen. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Gallagher. Thank you so much.